Hello, it's Kathy again from Art Projects for Kids. I do hope my website becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. In today's drawing video, I'd love to show your students how to draw a Mother's Day card. It's a perfect time to draw some cute birds and get creative with your lettering. Let me show you how. The first thing you need to do is to collect your art supplies. This project just calls for drawing paper, pencil, marker, and crayons. For some extra help, you can also download this free matching Mother's Day card tutorial from my website. Now, before you do any drawing, I always recommend taking a moment to create some guidelines on your paper first. Just fold and crease your paper in half in both directions, and you'll end up with crease lines that match my tutorial, which really do help as you plan your drawing. Step number 1. The drawing starts with the mother bird, and she's going to have this kind of shape and take up almost the bottom half of the paper. Now follow along as I draw it with my pencil. It's a big round shape with a point on the left. Step number 2. Add about 3 simple feather shapes to the tail. Step number 3. Draw the eye with eyelashes and then a simple beak. Those feet are just very simple lines with some toes added to them. Step number 4. Draw about 4 curved lines on the belly so it has a bit of a design to it. Then finish the mother bird with a simple wing. Step number 5. The baby bird is a smaller version of the mom and sits right above her head. It also needs a wing added to its body, and if it sticks out at all, be sure to erase the line inside when you're done. Draw a simple eye, a beak, and add 3 feathers for its tail. Then you can add a few curved lines on its belly too, just like on the mom. You can finish off this baby bird with 2 simple legs. Step number 6. Now it's time to add some creative lettering. Begin in the top left corner with the curly letter H. Then add a smaller letter A and a letter P and another letter P. Feel free to get fancy with any of these. Then comes a large letter Y with the curly bottom. Hopefully your happy word now pretty much fills up the left side of the paper. Step number 7. Okay, on to the word mother. Start with a large fancy M shape. It's fun to add some curls on one or more of those tips. Next, it's fun to stack the letters O, T, H, E, and R like this. Feel free to get as creative as you want. A card is the perfect time to do that. Finish with a large letter S shape to kind of balance things out. A curly end adds a lot of style to it too. Step number 8. Okay, now there's just enough room to add the word day in the space underneath. I like making that Y extra long and curly. The last thing to draw is a bunch of hearts kind of sprinkled all around the drawing. Okay, the drawing part of this project is done, so now it's time to trace everything with a black marker. Working slowly as you go over those pencil lines will always get you your best results. And I know no matter how carefully I trace, there are usually a few extra pencil lines still showing, so now is a good time to erase them. Okay, time to bring out those crayons. I'm going to start by coloring in my mother bird a kind of lavender. The baby bird needs a bright color too, so it shows up really well. I think this orange will do a great job. Some yellow in the beak finishes off the birds. Now I'm going to just start randomly coloring in the rest of the shapes. A bright red color will of course be great for a few hearts. You can just keep rotating those colors until all your letter shapes and hearts are filled in. The final touch is coloring in that background. This light yellow-green is a fun color and really brightens things up. And if you work slowly and color carefully, I can promise you'll be glad you took the extra step. Okay, and we're done. Doesn't that make a really fun Mother's Day card? I hope you learned a few things about drawing cute birds and how to make fancy letters too. They're perfect for when you're making a card with a special message. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial taught you a little bit more about drawing. Please check out my website, Arch Projects for Kids, for more projects like how to draw a Mother's Day bunny and how to draw a Mother's Day giraffe. Thanks again, and I hope to see you soon.